Yeah. Let's go. Put it. 1 is 3 is time. Let's go. City lights on my leather coat. Midnight run, yeah, we do the most. Concrete road, hear the engine cry. Street my stage, watch me fly. From the curb to the camera flash. Every step got power, no crash. I move fast, I don't look back. Street fashion on a racing track.
Neon glow on my oversized fit. Gold red lips, yeah, I run this strip. Heels or kicks, I decide the pace. Every angle, runway face. From underground to the spotlight scene. Queen of streets, confident and clean. I don't follow, I redefine. Street fashion, my design.
Eyes on us, feel the fire. Street-born dreams, going higher. No brakes, no fear, no slow. Fashion flow, ready to go. Eyes on us, feel the fire. Street-born dreams, going higher. No brakes, no fear, no slow. Fashion flow, ready to go.
Walking, rocking in my road. Style so fast, overload. From the night to the city glow. This is street fashion flow. Roll, cameras roll. Speed and drip in full control. No rules, just style we show. This is street fashion flow.
Speed in my veins,
Sit in my walk.
street is my game.
Style when I talk. Together we run this zone.
Street fashion fully grown. Speed in my veins,
Sit in my walk.
street is my game.
Style when I talk. Together we run this zone.
Street fashion fully grown.
Rock it, feel that heat. Every step a victory beat. Fast life, slow my glow. This is street fashion flow. From the street to the global show. Fashion flow, head to toe. Ride the vibe, let it blow. This is street fashion flow. This is street fashion flow.
This street ride, let's go.
Yeah, lights on the asphalt, cameras ready. Fashion flow in the city, let's go.
Neon signs on my jacket glow. Concrete runway, watch me go. Every step tell a story loud. City beat, hear the crowd. Laced up kicks, attitude clean. Oversized fit, magazine dream. From the block to the front row seat. Streetborn style can't be beat.
World class, see the flame. Different fit, never same. We don't chase, we create. Street fashion elevate.
Rock it on that street. Drip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow.
This is street fashion flow.
Clothes flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we throw.
This is street fashion flow.
Rock it on that street. Drip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow.
This is street fashion flow.
Clothes flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we throw.
This is street fashion
Cargo
flow.
pants, vintage tee, old school vibe, new energy. Graffiti walls, colors loud, style speak without a sound. Mix that high with the low end fit. Luxury drip with a rebel twist. Every look breaking every code. Trendsetters, we run the road.
Eyes on us, feel the stare. Confidence in what we wear, not a brick. This is soul. Street fashion in control.
Rock it on that street. Drip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow.
This is street fashion flow.
Pose flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we throw.
This is street fashion flow. This is street fashion flow.
From back alleys to fashion week, every culture, every beat. Real one shine, no need to pose. Street style louder than words we chose.
I can walk and feel that zone. City lights, we in our own. Every step got attitude glow. This is street fashion flow.
Cameras roll, let it show. This the vibe, this the code. Street to the world, head to toe.
This is street fashion flow.
Yeah. Crack it low on the street.